Welcome to your VR onboarding with the VIRTRACON learning software. In a few steps, we'll show you how to use your headset and navigate the virtual learning environment. Let's start with the controller. Use the trigger to select and confirm. The joystick helps you to navigate through menus. The home button recenters your view, and the menu button opens the main menu. Before putting on the headset, press the power button to turn it on. You find it on the top of the device. Now, gently place the headset over your eyes and adjust the head straps until it fits securely and comfortably. Make sure the padding sits well on your face, so nothing feels loose or tight. If the image is blurry, try to move the headset in front of your eyes. You can also change the volume directly on the headset. Just use the buttons on the bottom. If your controller doesn't respond or the pointer drifts, simply press and hold the home button for about 5 seconds. It will automatically recenter. Otherwise, check if your controller needs a new battery. Before you begin, please make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password in the settings to connect. Then, find the VIRTRACON app on the main menu and start it. Use your controller to click on the username field. A virtual keyboard will appear. Enter your credentials, your email address and password. Once your credentials are entered, simply click the login button to proceed. The home screen provides a helpful overview. You'll find a short intro video and, in the top right corner, your account information and login options. You will also see the Continue button in case you have previously paused a module. At the bottom of the screen, you can adjust the app language, toggle Wi-Fi on or off, and check your access duration. Click on the Disciplines button to explore the available learning programs. To continue, select the My Courses button. Here, you'll see all the courses and training programs assigned to you. Click on the one you would like to begin. Each module must be downloaded before you can start. Simply click the download button next to the module you wish to begin. The download may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, click on the module name to continue. To begin a module, click on the first scene. The first time you go through a module, you process scene by scene in order. However, once you've completed a module, you can return anytime and access any scene directly. To support your reflection and engagement, the application includes interactive verbal dialogues. You will notice dialogues between your virtual trainer and the participants around you. Your trainer will also involve you in the conversation. Whenever you hear the word learner, take a moment to reflect. When you are ready, click on the microphone icon to respond. After speaking, click the same button again to finish your answer. If you want to take notes, you can always pause a running theme. First, press the back button on the controller to open up the control panel. Here you can press pause. Then, carefully remove the headset. Once you've taken your notes, put the VR headset back on and click on play to proceed with the experience. You can press the back button of your controller again to close the control panel. You can also use the control panel to replay the last question from VIRTRA, or click the Go On button to skip a presented slide. That's it for your onboarding. You are now ready to explore your learning modules with the VIRTRACON experience. Have fun, and in case you need any additional support, please contact support@s-iba.com. To enter the controller. If the controller seems misaligned, just hold the PICO button for 5 seconds until the pointer is aligned again. Connect the controller. Press the button only once to trigger the connection. Pressing twice will start a screen recording. If you want to take notes, you can always press pause in a running scene by pressing back on your controller. Take your notes and come back afterwards. Hit play to continue. Can I stop learning and continue later? Yes, you can. Just keep in mind to wait until the next continue appears. Progress in the middle of a scene is not saved.